just here having another most enjoyable freehand creative piping moment with some royal icing, and I'm thinking to myself, wow, I'm actually embracing techniques that date back literally centuries in their origins. And it's such a thrill to see students' faces light up as they take hold of their piping bag and have a go at piping using this technique for the very first time, and they're taking away with them something that they can then pass on to friends, to family, just like it's been passed on from my mum to me. And then I go to college and my mentor, who'd learned from his mentor, shares it with me, generation to generation. And together, realistically, we're preserving something, hopefully, for centuries to come.